All right, what work does a 1.5 horsepower do in a minute? There's 3 hints. Nope, no hints for you. Okay, well, the first hint is that the power is 1.5 times 745.7. The second hint is that the time is 60 seconds, and the third hint is that I shouldn't have had to tell you that. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, so 1.5 times 745.7 is 11,100 no, that's not true. It's 1,118.55 watts. Okay, and then let's see, power is work divided by time, so work is power times time is 1118.55, right, times 60 seconds. I'm going to take what's on my calculator, right, and multiply by 60. And I get that the power is 67,113 watts. Oops, sorry, the work is that many joules, right? But we only have 2 sig figs because of 1.5, so we'd have to say about 67,000 joules. Ta-da. Yeah.